Hi everybody, welcome to another update. I have stripped the bike down again, so all the fairing's off, and just in doing that exercise of pulling all the fairing off, I noticed something that really illustrated the point of going to Display Associates to get the decals done there, and I'm really glad that I did, because when I was pulling off the frame protector caps, I noticed that there was a piece missing. There was a nick in the colour there. I thought, oh no, I'm going to have to take that into Display Associates and get that sorted out, because there's a mistake there, there's a nick there. But the frame protector caps go over this piece of the frame to protect that. Oops. To protect that piece of the frame. So with that piece that was missing, I thought it was a mistake. And if you come over here, this piece sits in here like that, and you can see it's a continuation of this. So every attention to detail has been done, and when I went in there to pick the bike up, they mentioned to me that they got a specialist in to help with getting the decals just right. And I'm really glad that I went to the expense of going to a specialist place like Display Associates, because if I had have just put stickers on, they would have just looked like stickers. But you know, these ones here, for example, are basically just a sticker, but the rest of it is like a full wrap, and they've done an amazing job. So you know, kudos to Display Associates. I'm really wrapped with the job you've done so far. So now what I have to do is send it back off to the painter to get clear coated, and that's going to seal the decals in and protect them, stop them from lifting or whatever. So that's going to finish it off, and again I'm trying to take it back to as close as I possibly can to its original. It's painted in its original color, and the decals are pretty close to what the original is, and Display Associates got a specialist in to help them with it. So I'm absolutely wrapped that I made the decision to go there and get it done there. So stay tuned, because the next thing is basically the finished product.
Hey, what happened? Flip.